Hello, my mathematicians. Are you ready to get your brain warmed up? Here we go. Let's go ahead and let's count by fives to 100. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. How'd you do? Awesome. Give yourself some hamburger. Well done. Now, let's count by ones, now that we're warmed up a little bit, and let's make it a little bit harder. Let's start with 30 and see if we can keep counting, all right? So count with me, see if you can join me. If you can, I wanna see your mouth moving. So we're gonna start with 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Stop. How did you do? Whew. We counted some really big numbers there. I'm loving it. I'm loving that you're trying and I can see your effort and I'm so proud of you. I'm loving it. Put your fingers together and let's do that. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Now, let's see if we can do some quick subitizing, all right? I've got my dice here. I'm going to show you a number and I want you to tell me, show me with your fingers and you can say it out loud too. What number am I showing? Are you ready? Here it comes. Oh. How many? How many? Show me, show me, show me. Yes, 2. Good job, subitizers. All right, let's do another one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Show me as fast as you can. Here's the number. Go, 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 go. Look at all those fingers going up. I love it. The answer is 4. Good job. We'll do one more and then we'll get started in on our lesson today. Are you ready? One more number. Here we go. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Woo! How many? Show me. Yes, good job. 3. Good job, my subitizers. I'm so proud of you. And do you remember yesterday, speaking of subitizing and finding different numbers, remember how we found all these different ways to show 5 yesterday? We're going to do that again today because just like with anything, the more we practice, the better we're going to become. So we're going to go ahead and you can take a look at what you did yesterday, but let's see what we're going to do today. I have another example of how many and how we can show numbers in different ways. So how many? 6. You're right. We could write the number 6 down to represent 6. Let's see if we can do another one. 6. X. That's how you spell the number 6. So we could write the word 6. We could draw the number 6. We could write the word 6. Let's see if there's another way. This is one we can do, right? We can show 6 with our fingers. In fact, there's different ways we can even show it with our fingers. We could show it like that picture does, or we could put 3 fingers and 3 fingers. And if we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can show 6 in so many different ways. Here's a 10 frame. I can subitize this really quick, but this is 4. So I can count 4, 5, 6. See the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look at, there's 2 groups. There's a 3 over here and a 3 over here. It kind of reminds me of how I was holding up my 3 and my 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of these ways are showing 6. And here's the tally. And I remember, do you remember how we circled these and we know that these count 5? So I have 5, 6. And if I didn't know that right now, I could still count them, couldn't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could show a picture with a number of things, couldn't we? Oh, and here's that dice. look at, I've got one too, and it doesn't even matter. I could put it in different ways. And it's always going to show 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a domino. Can you count the dots with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And oh, it's another domino, but it's different, isn't it? Let's see how we do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're right, there's so many different ways that we can show 6. And there's so many different ways we can show any number. So I'm going to try one again today. So let me see if I can share my screen with you again. And let's see if we can come up with a way to show a different type of number. Here we go. Oops, wrong thing. That wasn't what I wanted to share. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Doran, you are crazy. Let's see if this one works. There we go, that works out. You can kind of see I'm using the other side of my paper from the last time we did this lesson. But I'm going to show 4 different ways again. So remember how I can divide this up into 4? I can put one line down the middle and one line across. And this time I'm going to show 3. So maybe I want to write the word 3. TH makes that sound. I don't know if you know that yet, but 3. I could write the word. I'm going to write the number here too, just so I remember what I'm writing, because that's a really easy way that I've learned Subitizing. I can recognize that number really quick. I could do 3 tallies. I'll do 3 tallies. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know what I could do? I could do 3 on a dice. I know 3 on a dice looks like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I could do a domino. I could do pictures. There's so many ways. I'm going to do 3 pictures. I'm going to do 3 hearts. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like a face, doesn't it? Look at, boys and girls. I was able to show 3. I actually did it in 5 ways, didn't I? Because I wrote the number. I wrote the word. I wrote some tallies. I did a dice. I did some pictures. I wrote the number word for it. There are so many ways that we can show a number. So stay tuned, because I'm about to give you another number and see what you can do. Have a great day.